Weston's already learning to pick up all his toys. What about this one, Weston? Yep. Go back in. What about that one? Ah, look, there's a few more. Do those go in there too? Oh, you're right. That one does go in there. Doink. Oh, good job, Buster. Man, you clean up so good. Where did you learn that from? Should we make some room? There. Now put it in. Put it in there. Good job, Weston. What about all these toys? Where do those go? You are such a good helper. Yep. Put it away. See you later, buddy. He's in a zone.